This Victory motorcycle is looking huge. Yeah, just installing Windows on my computer here. It's all fucked up right now. Let's get my camera ready for tomorrow. It's cool how like everybody's pretty mature here, giving everyone a lot of space. Someone's riding my ass. You're going a little slow. I like this group. Should be a nice ride. On my Kawasaki Vulcan Classic 900. Don't fucking freeze on me again, you bitch. What's up, YouTubers? Yeah, got a new chatterbox. Yeah, got my camera back turned on. I just had to update to new version 3 point something. I'm about to get my lazy boy on, leading the pack out here to Iowa. Kick ass. Woo! You park at?
And Mike.
How sick was that? They do it at the end too with James. I'll tell you what it's good.
I like how much people in their jackets. That's like my first time using this set right here. Two screens. Oh, wow. I love the sound these make. Which one? The crystal glass.
I'm gonna teach kids about computer programming, dude. Like you have to. But it's upside down. Alright, Ken.
Don't touch it, hey!
Little hoe ass bitch, I'm not fucking with you.
It's exactly what it looks like.
It's on Palomar, but like they know that turn's kind of straight edge.
Dude, Damon's like the craziest fucking snake for doing this shit, dude. Every time I go this road, I go as slow as I can, and every time I still almost like crash my bike all the way, dude.
Dude, where